So hi guys, it's me Steve and today we'll be unboxing the My Passport Ultra. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, here is the box. So in the box it is written My Passport Ultra and the Western Digital logo, and yeah, the actually it looks quite compact and stylish. So this is the 1 TB variant and it has the Western Digital backup, and it has a good elegant looking metallic design, and it has a 3 years warranty and a Western Digital security. So here you can see the branding of it. So here are some details of the hard drive and the contents in the box. So again you have a branding of it. So let's unbox it. So yeah, so you have to take this peel off. Yeah, just a minute, and we have it here. So the boxing is quite different, quite sealed off, and nothing have in the box extra, that much. And here we have the drive, and here's a good looking cable, and this is USB 3.0. so yeah, it's a good. And this is a detailed book. Yeah, so not like book, just an introduction for the drive. And so as you can see, here the drive and it looks awesome. So and the detailed book, so you can read this if you want to know extra information. So here, just keep it aside. So here we have the 3.0 USB cable, hard disk in here, and here we have a metal body, and here is plastic. It looks quite like a titanium finish actually. The gold is too good, yeah, and you get that rubber paddings to keep it comfortably. So compared to the old model, this is like very premium looking. Even I got a case with this, so you could see this. So this is the own Western Digital case, so it's going to be of a good quality. So you have it. Just take the tag off. So it fits perfectly in here, and you can even keep the cable like a separate slot is given for the cable, and you have a Western Digital branding in here, so that's quite of an advantage. You can keep it here. It feels too compact, so yeah, there you go. So let's compare it with the previous model. So yes, let's get started. So here's the cable. We'll even like take the cable off. So yeah, so you get the USB 3.0. It looks quite different from the previous model. It looks like they have given special attention for this. So we have the old model in here. So yes, this is the previous model. So the size is almost the same, but thickness is even the same, and yeah, the body is quite different. This is made of plastic and this is made of metal, a premium metal actually. So yeah, so but this part is plastic, but this is metal, so it looks quite awesome. And you have this, it's made of full plastic, and both are My Passport Ultra. So there you have the similarity. So even the rubber padding is given here, but this feels more premium and more elegant. So yeah, the Western Digital branding in here, and you have it for this year, and in this it's written My Passport Ultra. For this nothing is written. So yeah, it is written in here, like in the back side of the hard disk. So yes, you can see the difference. Actually the rubber in this feels like you have got a lot more grip than the old model. Actually old model slides a bit faster than this. Yeah. So guys, let's speak about the connectivity. So it connects with Windows 10, Windows 8.1 and Windows 7, and with Mac like yeah. So yes, So we'll just connect it with Mac and just test it. Like, as I don't have PC like the Windows PC, so I can't test it with Windows PC. So let's check with Mac. So guys, let's just connect and check like how it's working. So here we have the cable. So I'll just fix the cable in here. So yes, as you can see, I'm just connecting in the back side of my Mac. It got connected, and white color LED is just blinking in here. So I'll just keep it aside, and maybe it's quite reading because it's not showing it here. So guys, as you can see, the my passport got connected in here. So you could see, you could transfer whichever file you need to this. So there you go, just transfer this. Yeah, it came. I'll just eject it and see. Eject. It got ejected. So I'll connect it again. So yes, loading, and it came. So yes, I have the file in here. So it's working successfully. So yes, so I'll just delete this thing. So yes guys, this is working successfully. So I'll just eject it. So yes guys, that's for the review. And so if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. So until next time, so signing off, it's me, Steve.